Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today's going to be a flip through of all the spreads I made for my patrons in March. There are 14 spreads in all. There are two top tiers on my Patreon that get the spreads. Team Bumble gets custom spreads and they can request anything they want. And then Team Wallace just gets a general spread from some answers on a survey that they give me. So I'm going to start with Team Bumble and just show you. I have 4 Team Bumble members and I have been at 4 for quite a while because I just don't think I can handle more than 4. But you never know. I might increase that. I might decrease it. I don't know. The first spread here is for Megan, and Megan asked for a classic Happy Planner spread for this week. And basically she said, do whatever I want. So I used the new Folk and Feather sticker book from Happy Planner, which I think is gorgeous. I love the colors. I love these birds and the flowers. After I put these boxes down, I realized I did not want to put more of the same type of decorative boxes down here, but yet I wanted a box on every day. So what I did was bring in this periwinkle color Tombow dual brush pen, and I think it matches pretty well. It's a little bright, but I still like it with it. And I drew some boxes, and then I took a navy blue marker and just did some dots within the boxes. I think it's fun and whimsical, and I hope Megan likes it. Next up, we have a dashboard spread for Bobby. Bobby requested a Go Wild spread. If you don't know what Go Wild is, it's a planner conference. They're having it in Texas this year. And she requested that I use the Live Love Posh Go Wild sticker book, which I do have. So I was excited to use that for her. This is a video. I don't know if I've already posted it or it's coming up, but if I did already post it, I will try to link it below. If not, you have that to look forward to, I guess. But I love how this turned out. I think it's just really, really fun. And I don't know, she requested an undated spread, so I don't know if she's using it for the week of Go Wild or the week before or after, but it doesn't really matter because it still applies. So I hope Bobby likes this. Next, we have a classic vertical spread for Allie. Allie's son, Mason, is autistic, so she requested an Autism Awareness Day spread, and that is the 2nd of April. And I just realized that I forgot to write April up here, so let's do that. I have a size 12 Pigma Micron pen, which I'm pretty sure is what I used for this. So we are just going to write April in here. Oh, I forgot to tell you the titles of the last spreads. I will do it from here on out, but I did not title this one, so let's do that. So I'm going to name this is it an acronym? Is that what it's called? But it's for autism, so you take each letter and assign a word to it. So always unique, totally intelligent, sometimes mysterious. And we are going to write that down in here, I guess. That's a really long title. So I just printed these images out online. I also added a couple of areas of washi tape, drew some boxes. It's a pretty simple spread, but I like what it stands for, and I do like the look of it. My printer was having some issues, so Allie, I'm sorry, but there's a couple of lines through this. My printer's been having issues for a little while. I thought I fixed it, but I guess I didn't. Anyway, I like this one. The last Team Bumble spread is for Alex, and Alex requested a bat spread. She says she's kind of obsessed with bats lately. So she gave me a couple of websites to go to learn more about bats, and I was very interested. I thought it was really fun learning about bats, things that I never knew. I used this washi tape from Archer and Olive. I thought it was appropriate. It has like gold clouds and stars in it and stuff. I don't know. It felt like nighttime. And then these were like from a Wrong Halloween sticker book, I think. So was that. And then I also found these wings in that. And I thought it would be fun to make a bat box, you know. And then I also printed a couple of pictures of real bats just because I feel like I didn't want it all to be cartoon bats. The bat facts that I learned are there are over 1,400 species of bats worldwide, which is crazy. Bats can reach speeds of over 100 miles per hour. Baby bats are called pups, which is so cute. About 80 medicines come from plants that rely on bats for survival, and insect-eating bats save farmers billions of dollars per year. So I thought these were pretty interesting. I also doodled around these boxes. See, these were just plain black boxes. I took a metallic acrylograph pen a gold pen and went around the edge. And then I took this pen and sort of made like bat wings on the top. I know they're like upside down scallops, but I like how this one turned out. I hope Alex really likes it. And I call it Just Winging It. Okay, now let's take a look at all of the Team Wallace spreads. First, classic vertical. This one's for Gretchen. I call it It's Okay to Not Be Okay. And I used that sticker book. I think it's called Take Care of You. I like that one. It's bright colors and really fun. I added some mood tracking stickers in here. This is like a self-care type of spread. And then I drew some boxes for Gretchen with bright colored pens that I thought kind of matched. And then added some diagonal washi stripes and then washi stripes here. I think it's bright and colorful and really fun. By the way, this was a video. Either was or will be a video, depending on when I post it. This one was a video as well. This was already posted. So this one is for Ellen, and I call it A Reading Adventure. I used Wrong's third bookworm sticker book. Is it called Bookworm? Oh my gosh, I forget. But if you watch the video, I tell you everything that I did and show you everything I did to make this. I think it's fun. I think it's like really vintage and cool. I like the neutrals, and Ellen is a reader, so I think this makes sense for her. Just something a little different for me. This one is for the second Ellen in the group, and I used a sticker book called When in Spring from Cassetic Plans. I call this one Happy Hive. I really like this because we have bees and honeycombs and stuff like that, and I love the colors. I used some polka dot washi tape here, and then I decided to give Ellen some headers that I wrote myself, priority today to do, important reminder, and plans. I think this one's fun and cheerful. With that same sticker book, When in Spring, and by the way, I do have a code with her, and it's Bumble 10 with Cassetic Plans if you're interested in purchasing anything from there. But this one's for Bev, and I use that same sticker book. I call this one Soft Florals, and there was this really pretty pastel theme in there with these wildflowers. I thought this one was beautiful. I love the colors here. And the boxes all came from the sticker book too, which makes it so easy to put together spreads. And then on the big boxes, I did these little dashes, which I thought were kind of cute. And then I drew some smaller header boxes for her just because it felt kind of plain otherwise. And I like that little touch. Next is a spread for Kelly, and this one's called Girls on Adventure. By the way, if you see this Bumble stamp here, I have a video coming up. I might have posted it already. This is what happens. It's time traveling here on my channel, but where I'm promoting this little stamp, and it's just this cute little Bumble stamp that Happy and Polly made for me. I love it so much, and I'm able to, put these on the spreads. I'm probably not going to do it on every single spread, but some of them I did this time, and I think I love her little Bumble head. It's just very fun. So this was obviously made with the Out for Adventure sticker book, which is one of my very favorites, and I really like it. I like the stacked washi strips here, or the sticker strips, and the girls throughout, these little birds. I just adore that sticker book. It's really a fun one. Playful Tile is another sticker book that I love, and this one's for Jennifer. I call it Brighter Days. There's Bumble again. Just lots of bright colors, this fun quote, "It's time to shine." I kind of wanted to save that for myself, but I gave it to you, Jennifer, because, yeah, I just think that makes it, like, sometimes a really big quote like that is just very fun, and it just, I don't know, makes the spread, in my opinion. So now let's move on to dashboard spreads. I only have 2 of these. This one is for Donna. It's called Seeds of Possibility. This was made using the Live Love Posh Spring Allure sticker book. I loved this theme. I thought that the colors are really pretty, and these little seed packets are so cute, and the little vases. I love like this dark gold in with the purples. I think it's just a fun color combo. So I hope Donna likes it. This next one is a spread for Laura, and Laura uses a big happy planner and a classic, and she told me to experiment with different layouts for her, and I don't know that I've ever given her a dashboard layout, so I decided to do it this month. The butterflies here came from Planything Seasonal Days sticker book, and I think they're really pretty. I also brought in that tape that I'm trying to find a link for. I'll have to do that, like look for it today. But I got this tape in Japan, and I think it's so fun and colorful. And then I decided to draw boxes. I made little scallop boxes, like the opposite of the bat boxes, right? And just in bright colors. I just thought it was fun. I know it's a little plain on this side, but I did that on purpose. It kind of matches the plain on this side though, but I did that on purpose because sometimes less is more. And so I hope Laura likes this. I also decided to color in all the bullet points here, all of the check boxes, and then outline them all, which I don't know if I've ever done. All right, now we're going to get into the big spreads. These are all big vertical spreads. This one's for Marisol. I call it Life is Zesty. You might have seen this video. This was a video back weeks ago, and I used the Lemon Love 𝘏𝘗 plan box for this. I love how this turned out. I think it's so fun and colorful. So you can go back and watch that video if you're interested in seeing how I put this one together. Here's a spread for Ashley. This one was made using one of the mega sticker books. It was called Spread Some Happy by Happy Planner, with all these little quotes here. And I think it's fun. I drew some sparkles in the middle just to fill up some of the spaces. And then I decided to give her crooked boxes and then like make little lines around the boxes just for like looking like they're moving or something like that. I call it Happy Reminders, and always find something to smile about. You guys just look for the good, at least when you can. But I like this one. And then I gave her these little boxes at the top for the dates. Next up is Stephanie, and this one's a lot, isn't it? I had actually put more of this polka dot washi down, then I took it off because it was too much. I used the Seasonal Whimsy sticker book for this one, which I don't know if I've ever actually used that sticker book. Not much anyway. It's kind of all over the place and it's just different, right? I feel like it's different, but I like it. Sometimes you don't have to worry so much about matching or worry about the placement of things because in the end it's going to look cute. And that's sort of what happened here. I like the haphazardness of it, and there's a lot of stickers on here, but I think it's so fun. I call it Happiness is Contagious. Next is a spread for Denise. This one was made using the Garden of Flowers Mega Sticker Book and Bright Boxes Mega Sticker Book. I call it Bold Blooms. And there's something that I love about like black stickers combined with either pastels or bright colors. This one was really fun to make. I love these BAM boxes. And I thought it was fun to put the boxes underneath these big quotes. That's about it. There's not much I can say about this one. I just think it's cute and fun. And there's still lots of white space to write. The last spread here is for Sherry. And this one is called Cutie Patooties because we have animals on the page. I used the Colorful Creatures sticker book for this one. And I named all the animals. This is Sam, and this is George, and this is Ethel and Paige, and that's Pete. I know Ethel and Pete look exactly the same, but maybe they're brother and sister. I don't know. Sam is walking right into the weekend. I love this sticker book. I think it's a gorgeous one, and I hope that Sherry likes this spread because I really like this spread. So I'm going to show them all again to you now, and you can vote. I like to hear your top three, or if you just like one the best and you know it, just tell me that one. So we have Cutie Patooties, Bold Blooms, Happiness is Contagious, Happy Reminders, Life is Zesty, Butterfly Magic, Seeds of Possibility, Brighter Days, Girls on Adventure, Soft Florals, Happy Hive, A Reading Adventure, It's Okay to Not Be Okay, Just Winging It, Always Unique, Totally Intelligent, Sometimes Mysterious, Spring Has Sprung, and Wild Week. Don't forget to check out my Patreon. It's more than just custom spreads. It's about all sorts of stuff. We have live streams and giveaways and Facebook group. We have sneak peeks and behind the scenes stuff and early videos, exclusive videos, tutorials, wallpapers, all sorts of stuff over there on Patreon. So you can always check that out. It's always linked in the description box, but you can go to patreon.com/planningwithbumble. I always love getting new patrons. We're like a little family over there. We have a good time. So consider joining. That's it for me. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.